Move it wide quickly. Through ball now. He weaves past one, then two. Oh, what a magnificent strike. It's in. Goal for the home side. What a sensational effort. Pass it here. Get tight on him. Block the shot. A stunning through ball and a first-time finish. What a goal. Get in there. Yes.
In this tutorial, we are going to build a realistic football match scene between Barcelona and Man U, or between any club of your choice, where that particular club you want is winning or just scored goal, right? Then for this, basically what you need is your JSON prompt, ChatGPT, and your access to Google Veo 3 or your Gemini. But in this particular tutorial, I'm going to use my ChatGPT and my Google Gemini, right? Then I'm going to go over to my ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to write a JSON realistic prompt for football match between Man U, Manchester United, and Chelsea. Then where Manchester United scored goal with a good shoot and pass, right? I want this to be like Manchester United scored Chelsea when they passed and now scored the goal with a straight shot, right? Then this is going to be a JSON prompt. Is basically a realistic for creating realistic commercials, realistic scenes, realistic images, whatever realistic you want it to be. You are going to use a JSON prompt. Then I'll click on go. ChatGPT is going to process this particular data for me. This is going to be a code, right? This is basically from what ChatGPT gave me is going to be prompt name is Manchester United vs Chelsea football scene, right? Then this is style, the journey, professional football match highlights. Then camera, dynamic match broadcast cameras, slow motion replay, and crowd ambience, right? Then this one is the stadium is Old Trafford, right? Under evening stadium. This is the scene, like the stadium where the football match will be taking place. Then this is description. Manchester United midfielder received the ball near halfway line, dribbles forward with pass, crowd, noise, raises, right? On stand. Then you can see the description that the thing gave me. Then pass key, through ball pass between Chelsea defender into box, past motion blow, grabs particle flying, right? Then Manchester United striker takes one third shoot with right foot, powerful accurate strike into bottom left corner, net repos, realistic ball spine, keep driving late. You can see how the thing will be when I finally create the video. Then I'm going to tell this thing, but the video should be under 8 seconds because Google Gemini or Veo 3 highest the maximum video they can generate is 8 seconds. So it's going to be, I'm going to tell it to make everything 8 seconds. This is 8 seconds. To make everything 8 seconds, right? So you can see that duration is 8 seconds. Then I'm now going to copy this. For instance, I'll copy this particular prompt now. Remember, it is JSON prompt, not ordinary prompt. And go to my Google Gemini here. Once I go to my Google Gemini, I'll now go to create video. If I go to my create video, I'll now paste that particular prompt, the one that they gave me, the one the last one, which is saying 8 seconds, duration is 8 seconds. And I now click on go. It is going to process this particular video for me and give me the final response. You can see I'm generating your video. This could take a few minutes, so check back to see when your video is ready. So you can basically use this your JSON prompt to create any kind of video, any kind of commercial of your choice. That is basically what you can basically do. Then I have lots and lots of JSON prompts prompt scripts I've written for my commercials. Let me show you one of those JSON prompts I wrote, because most of these things will make you may not even find it easy to write these prompts. I have ones I've written for my commercials and basically for all my students. My office, WP office. Yeah, I can basically cut this. Then this one is basically this one is JSON prompt template for Google Veo 3 image to video generation. This one is basically if you want to generate a video, maybe you want to do a commercial of that your product, physical product you have already, then you can basically use this particular script, then attach that to your particular picture with this particular this thing prompt. It will give you the exact JSON prompt for that particular product. If you have maybe a physical product, maybe the product you have is the one you just made, maybe a shoe that you just made, maybe the shoe is not online, that you can basically get the picture online. You can snap the picture, use this particular template I'm giving you now and generate a JSON script for it and create your commercial with Google Veo 3 and JSON, right? This is for foodie craving ad, this is product demo ad, this one is unboxing experience ad, this is UGC trend ads, and this is great opening product launches, right? Then all these things is basically what you can use for your commercials. I've written this particular prompt and it is basically going where I'm using it for every of my commercials. Then if I can be able to go back, let's go back and to this one. This is master Veo 3 JSON prompt, right? This one, the other one is image to video, this one is text to video. So you can basically use this one for every of your commercials, maybe for cinematic experiences, for your UGC ads, your unboxing experience, your car reviews or product reviews. You can use it for every of your ads. What you need is basically over here, then copy this particular JSON prompt, asking prompt, copy it, display the wrote product name, then write that your product name here. If it's maybe a shoe or clothes, then write it here, then copy it in and paste it in your ChatGPT. ChatGPT will now give you the right prompt for it. You now copy all this, the one that ChatGPT gave you, and paste it in Google Gemini or Veo 3. You can see this one is just replace name and paste it in your ChatGPT. But the other one is what you're going to do is that you're going to copy it with your exact video, your exact image you're using for the ads, and what paste it in your ChatGPT. Then from what ChatGPT gave you, now copy it and paste it in your Google Veo 3 or Gemini. The other one is image and the prompt. This one is basically your prompt, replacing those product name with this product name with that exact product name you're advertising for. Then let's go back. I can basically send you this if you care for. If you care for, just send me hi in the comment section and I will send you this. Let's go back to our video. Here is our Google Gemini to see if we have received the response from them. You can see your video is, you look at the board here. You can see the scene. You can see the scene over here. That's very, very realistic. This is Old Trafford. This is basically an Old Trafford stadium. You see? Are you seeing? You see goal. Very realistic, very realistic, very realistic. You can see because okay, see now that Chelsea scored goal. You can see Chelsea 1, Manchester 1, Chelsea 0. You can see it. That is very, very realistic, right? So if you have not followed my channel, please do well to follow my channel. Thank you and God bless you.